Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kenny Valdez back at again with another video. And in today's video, we are going to install a lip on Lola. It's about damn time. Let me show you guys the lip. Anyways, so here's a lip for Lola. I'm not too sure what the name of the lip is, but it's a lot skinnier than the one that I had previously on the car. Well, I never even got to mount it on because it was way too thick. That's what she said. And yeah, this one's a lot skinnier. It'll look a lot better. It's not going to be like 2 centimeters off the ground. So that's what we got for today's video. So without further ado, let's head on to the shop and get this lip on. And then before we head out, I just remembered I got a package in the mail from the boy Percy. So let's go check that out. So we got the face mask from Zosh. I'm gonna be using this because I am heading to Boston in a couple weeks. So shout out to Percy. If you guys are interested in these, I believe he has them on the website still. If it's not sold out yet, I think it's zoshmfg.com. Appreciate you, man. So riding out to the shop with both of our cars because both of our cars need maintenance done. This one needs an oil change. That one needs an oil change. So
that one needs oil change. That
one does need an oil change already. It's crazy. We just did it and we racked up hella miles. Let's get a cold start for you guys, even though it's not much of a cold start. Sure. I just love it when we roll out with both these cars. I be forgetting how much I love this car. And that one. Got the car on jack stands. Boom, boom. Got the got the hardware. Got the lip. So yeah, as you know, this I scraped a bunch of times. So this will cover, I guess, the ugliness until I paint the bumper and the lip at the same time. But until then, this lip is gonna go on. So yeah, to install the lip, still not done, but there is, or is it? Where is it? There's a tab that is already there, so you just take out the old one and put the new one in. So it goes, there's a tab there. Where's the other one? There's a tab right here. There's a tab right there. And then again on the other side, dude, where is my finger? In that corner. So just like on this side. And then now you just gotta put the screws in to secure it, and it should be done.
We got a drill.
Pretty simple, to be honest.
Don't we got a drill?
Yeah, we're gonna have to drill. Maybe.
Yeah, we gotta put 12 on
Are
the...
they self-tappers? No, they're not self-tappers.
We gotta put 12 under the bumper and then 1 on each side.
Yeah. Yeah. I need to invest in power tools
We have it. It's at home.
more.
We literally forgot it. That's what I said.
All right, guys, she is all set. She's not looking too bad. I can't believe I've been wanting a lip for the past, I don't know, 5 years since I had this car, and I'm now just putting one on. It's crazy to think. I gotta get this thing off jack stands, but before I do, I need to change the oil on this thing because I have yet to change the oil in 2020 yet for this car. I mean, granted, I don't drive the car at all. But it's good to always have fresh oil in it. So I'm gonna go head over to local O'Reilly's and get me some Mobil 1 and a K&N oil filter. Just pulled up in the big body Lexus to O'Reilly's, and of course, I started a pour today. Shaking my head, Florida life.
12 seconds later.
Bam, just like that, we got Mobil 1 oil. Only the best for Lola. And then, of course, K&N oil filter. Only the best for Lola. Shout out to Dustin and O'Reilly's. Oh, shit. Okay, then, Dustin, I see you got the biddies coming through to give you food. I see you, Dustin. I see you, Playboy.
I win my first race. I beat the Mini Cooper. I beat the Mini Cooper. That's it.
So you never had me. You never had your car.
You almost had me. You never had me. You never had your car.
Anyways, let's get back to this oil change. Oh, and a little backstory. Yesterday, Calvin and I, we did a fun run, Mini Cooper versus Yaris. It was an interesting race. We did a second gear 40. Mind you, we both know both cars are slow as shit. Just for shits and giggles. We did a second gear 40. He was pulling on me until about 4th gear. I kind of passed him, but then we both let off around, like 4th gear. But yeah, the Mini Cooper is a lot slower than I thought. But anyways, back to this oil change. All right, guys, oil filter is out. Got the new one ready to go in. If I can open this with one hand. There we go. Boom. Oil filter number is, where is it? Man. So I've been running these oil filters ever since I bought the car. Pretty much from new. Love K&N, love their products, so I'm gonna continue using them. All right. Oil filter's lubed up on the bottom. Get this nice and snug. Doesn't have to be the tightest thing in the fucking world. I hate when people think that they need to tighten this thing up holding the car or something. Like, it's ridiculous. So make sure it's just nice and snug. Doesn't have to be the tightest thing in the world. You guys like my funnel? All right. She is officially all set. Got the lip on. Check it out. Still debating if I should paint it, but anyways, she definitely sits super low now. Well, lip low. I still hate my gap. It's one of my my biggest pet peeves of this car. Not gap, but still got a tiny bit of a wheel gap there. Wish I could come down lower, but BCBR problems, I guess. But anyways, that lip though. So Lola's all set. She got the lip on, oil changed, and time to do that one. And just like that, the Integra's finally gone. If you guys need a tow and you're in the 239 area, be sure to hit up my guy Frank. Best in the business. Finally gone. Good luck to the new owner. And just like that, the Civic is sold. I didn't really get to finish it, guys, but hey, I had to post it up, needed my money back, so I ended up selling it. photo project. Says he's gonna do a few things. I don't know what, but yeah. It's all you now, buddy. Hopefully it comes out dope. I'd like to see this car around, so yeah. Bye, Civic. Oh, I can't see shit through this shitty ass fucking thing. I forgot to wrap up the video, but she's looking good now. There's a couple more things I'd like to do to this car, slowly but surely. Shoot, she's getting there. She is getting there. That lip is just perfection. I love that style lip where it just comes up right here. I mean, I really like how it does that instead of just going straight or whatever like most lips. But yeah, it's really hard to grasp in video because it's black. That's why I want to paint it white, but I don't know. Leave a comment down below if you think I should paint the lip white or leave it black. Because black also makes sense because it's got black accents all over the car. So I don't know. Anyways, guys, I gotta go get a haircut. I'm looking like shit. So with that being said, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.